like to invite you to the largest entertainment McDonald's in the world. Come check us out.
Thanks, Jailene, for touring me around.
Steak, we do those. I mean, there's a whole world going on back there. It's and everything is made to order. So as soon as you order it, we start making it. Pretty exciting.
Fresh.
Yes, fresh, made to order.
Made to order. You have a photo booth.
Yes.
This is really cool.
We actually just got that recently. $5 for a photo.
$5 for a photo. So we're going to the second floor. How many floors do we have here?
We have 2 floors. So our first floor is for dining and service, and the second floor is also for dining. And we have this playground, as you can see.
Yes.
For the kids, and we have an arcade as well.
The biggest McDonald's in the world. They have over 150 games. Look at this, amazing. Your kids will enjoy and have fun. Invited you to the largest McDonald's in the world. Welcome!